I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. Updating your billing information on Splitit is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings option in the menu, usually located in the top right corner. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings, look for the billing information section. Click on it to access your current billing details. Step 4. Update your details. Here, you can update your credit card number, expiration date, and billing address. Make sure to double check for any typos. Note, if you enter an incorrect expiration date, you might get an error message when trying to save. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your information, click the Confirm button to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. I hope this helps you update your billing information easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.